Welcome to the best pick. The best pool filters is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a crystal clear and healthy swimming environment, ensuring that your pool remains a pristine oasis for relaxation and fun throughout the season, and this review will guide you through the top options available to make your decision easier and more informed. Number 5. INTEX Easy Set 12-foot x 30 inches Pool Set. Get ready for instant summer fun with this spacious pool. It's the perfect way to cool off with friends and family all season long. Setting up is a breeze. Simply spread it out, inflate the top ring, and fill it with water. You'll be ready for a splash in just 10 minutes. Constructed with tough, 3-ply PVC material, this pool is built to last through all your summer adventures. A repair patch is included for any unexpected nicks. Enjoy crystal clear water thanks to the advanced filtration system. It ensures improved circulation and clarity for a refreshing experience every time. For the best experience, set it up on a flat, stable surface. Ensure the air valve is secure and avoid overfilling for safe and enjoyable pool time. What we like. This one is incredibly easy to set up, ready for water in just 10 minutes. Its advanced filtration system with hydroaeration technology ensures cleaner water with improved circulation. If you're looking for instant summer fun with minimal hassle, this is the perfect choice for families wanting a quick and easy way to cool off. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and the filter works great. My kids love this pool and it's a good size for our backyard. The material is durable and has held up well over the summer. Number 4. U.S. Pool Supply Universal Replacement Filter Cartridges, Type A or C, 4PK. Ensure your above-ground pool stays pristine with our premium replacement filter cartridges. Designed for superior cleaning, they deliver crystal clear water filtration for your enjoyment. These versatile filters are compatible with most above-ground pools and pumps that use Type A, C, or even Type 3 filters. They are a perfect fit for INTEX 59900E and 29000E models. Crafted with high-quality polyethylene terephthalate fibers, they offer advanced cleaning capabilities. The durable, collapse-resistant inner core ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for pool pumps with a flow rate between 530 and 2000 gallons per hour. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 2 weeks. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with these washable and easy-to-replace cartridges. They are designed for long service lives, saving you time and effort. These filters are compatible with a wide array of popular brands including INTEX, Bestway, and Summer Waves. Check the dimensions for a perfect fit, 8 high x 4.25 diameter with a nearly 2 center hole. What we like. This pack offers premium quality replacement cartridges designed for superior cleaning, ensuring crystal clear water. They are compatible with a wide range of above-ground pool pumps using Type A or C filters. If you want a cost-effective solution and don't want to worry about running out of filters, this 4-pack is an excellent value for maintaining consistently clean pool water. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and take down. The filter works great and keeps the water clean. It's a good size for kids to play in. Number 3. FutureWay C3030 Pool Filter Cartridge. Introducing the FutureWay C3030 Pool Filter Cartridge, designed for optimal pool maintenance. This replacement ensures your pool water remains crystal clear. It offers a perfect match for Hayward Swim Clear models and other compatible filters. All brand names are used solely for identification purposes. This filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, ensuring safe materials for your pool. Its advanced trilobal pleated design captures significantly more debris for cleaner water. With specific dimensions, it fits easily into your filter system. Installation is straightforward, eliminating concerns about leaks or compatibility. Constructed with high-quality spun-bond polyester and a robust inner core, it withstands high water pressure. This makes it an enduring and valuable investment for your pool. Maintain your pool economically by regularly cleaning this filter. We suggest monthly cleaning to maximize its effectiveness and ensure a pristine swimming experience. What we like. This filter cartridge is NSF/ANSI 50 certified and features a trilobal pleated design that captures significantly more debris. Its durable construction is built to withstand high-pressure water flow, making it a worthwhile investment. If you prioritize certified safety, maximum debris capture, and long-term durability for your pool's filtration system, this is the one to consider. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and take down. The filter works great and keeps the water clean. It's a good size for kids to play in. Number 2. Gripapool Premium Large Inflatable Pool. Introducing our premium large inflatable pool, designed for ultimate family fun and relaxation. It's the perfect addition to your backyard for endless summer enjoyment. Featuring patent-pending grip handles, this pool offers safety, support, and fun for everyone. They can even be used as kickboards for swim training your little ones. Enjoy superior comfort with its inflatable cushioned soft bottom. It provides a non-slip surface, perfect for lounging, tanning, or simply splashing around. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this pool is built to last season after season. You can count on its premium construction for years of enjoyment. This generously sized pool comfortably fits the whole family, accommodating adults and kids of all ages. It's the ideal spot for everyone to cool off together. Safety is paramount. This pool is certified safe for both kids and adults, featuring strong, anti-puncture vinyl construction. A repair patch is included for your peace of mind. What we like. This large inflatable pool boasts a cushioned soft bottom for ultimate comfort and safety handles for support and fun. Its durable, puncture-resistant construction ensures it lasts through the season and beyond. If you're looking for a comfortable, safe, and spacious pool that the whole family can enjoy together in the backyard, this is an ideal option. What people say. The pool is very easy to set up and take down. The filter system is very efficient and keeps the water clean. The pool is made of durable material and has held up well over time. Number 1. FutureWay CV460 Pool Filter Cartridges 4-pack. Ensure crystal clear water with our premium pool filter cartridges. They are designed for a perfect fit with compatible Jandy models, offering a seamless replacement experience. Your safety is our priority. These cartridges are NSF/ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing the use of safe materials for your peace of mind. Experience superior filtration with our tri-lobal pleated design. It captures 3 times more debris than standard fabric, trapping leaves, hair, sand, and oils for exceptionally clean water. With precise dimensions, installation is a breeze. You can easily fit them into your existing filter system without any concerns about leaks or compatibility. Built with high-quality spunbond polyester and a robust inner core, these cartridges are made to last. They can withstand high-pressure water flow, making them a smart, long-term investment for your pool. Maintain your pool efficiently and economically. Regular cleaning not only extends the life of the filter but also helps conserve water, ensuring a clean and enjoyable swimming experience. What we like. This filter cartridge is NSF/ANSI 50 certified and designed for high-capacity filtration, trapping 3x more debris than standard filters. Its robust construction ensures it can handle high-pressure water flow, making it an enduring investment. If you have a larger pool system and need a highly efficient, certified filter that can handle significant debris and last a long time, this cartridge is an excellent choice. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and the filter works great. The size is perfect for my backyard and the kids love it. It's durable and has held up well over the summer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.